Hey, welcome back to Tremaine University. Wyatt Wilson here, and today we are selling your closed listing out of the MLS. Hey, congratulations, you closed on your property. Let's go ahead and find your listing here in the Add Edit. Click on the Edit right-hand side, and we're going to change that listing to closed. It's going to bring open this window, and we're going to put in a couple of items. First, the date in which your transaction closed. Second, the sales price. And third will be the type of financing that the buyer used to close the loan. And then some additional questions. Hey, were there any closing costs covered by the seller? Any concessions? Things of that nature. The last item for you to input would be the buyer's agent. So we want to put the buyer's agent in who repped the buyer on this transaction to give them some credit. And was this transaction subject to a third-party approval? No. We want to hit submit in the top right corner, and you are successful.